spot, and she swallowed it. That is a monster. Hi there everybody, Trevor Randles Outdoors Iowa here today. And today we are out on the kayak. I've been out a few times this year already chasing crappies and got a few, but nothing too major. Nothing that was really worth videoing. It was kind of slow. But right now that bluegill bite is real hot. They are, sorry, I'm looking for beds. They are out on their beds in the shallows right now. So the bluegills are really easy to find. Oh, that is a big bass. I'm actually on an urban pond today, right on the south side of Des Moines. It's called Fort Des Moines Pond. And surprisingly enough, there is some pretty decent bluegill in here. They just recently redid this pond a few years back, and it's doing great. Channel cats are looking good. I've seen bass anywhere ranging from half a pound all the way up to 3 pounds. And I've seen bluegill up to 9 to 9.5 inches. So right now I'm just kind of cruising around in the shallows looking for beds. If I end up accidentally getting on top of some, if I see them, I know the bluegill are there. They'll come back if I spook them. So I'll know to come back to that spot, and that's where the beds are. I do have an area on the other side of the pond that I found the other day, and I'm going to make my way over there here shortly. And it had quite a few bluegill at it, and it was one of the spots where nobody could really get to walking. So perfect for the kayak. Nope, I see a couple beds over there. So with the kayak, it's nice because you can be nice and stealthy, and you can get rather close to these bluegill. And when they're on these beds like this, you can pretty much pick and choose which ones you want. Like you can just about sight fish them. Like the water's clear enough. There's a lot of algae growth here, but the water's clear enough. You can sight fish these things and get just the big ones. This isn't far from the boat ramp. Oop, oop, got it. Got one. Ooh, it's putting up a fight. Alright. First bluegill of the day here. First keeper bluegill. Look at that. We're just using small pieces of night crawler here. You don't need much. And a number size, let's see, size 6 bait holder hook. Perfect for doing this. Just perfect. Oh, pig. Just a pig. Oh, man. Love it. Absolutely love it. This big of bluegills in town. Just, oh, such a fight to them. Look at that. Oh. And that wasn't even the one I was after. I'm like a little kid in a candy store. I'm catching bluegill. We're gonna try to take home 15 or so of these if we can. That'll be a really good little meal for us. tell you what, guys, this is fun. You're just able to get right in on top of them. It's so hard to beat that. Bluegill fishing can be some of the most fun fishing for even adults, but you know, kids love it. It'll keep the kids nice and busy. Nope. Oh, there's a big one just came in. We're gonna get this one. Watch this. Come on, come on, come on. She hasn't seen me drop the worm. God, this one isn't the big one. This one, let's see. That one's big enough to keep, but there's bigger ones out here. We're gonna let this one go. There's definitely bigger bluegill in here. There's one that's right behind where she was anyways. There we go. Oh man. A little too small though. Oh man. We can get a bigger one. Come here. We can get a bigger one than that. We'll let her go. This one's gonna eat. Oh no, not the little guy. Oh my gosh, there's so many little ones. I can't even get it to the big one. No, no. We're gonna drop it right. No, no, come on. Here comes the big one. Got it. Oh man. This one's big enough to eat. Oh. Calm down. Sitting right on top of the bluegill beds. There was like 7 or 8 little ones pecking at it. About 8.5-inch bluegill. And I missed a bucket. Fail. Oh, here we go, big one. Got it. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's hard to beat. Just hard to beat. Oh. Let's try this again. That's a decent bluegill there, I think. Here we go. Got it. Oh yeah. Yep, that's a keeper. I noticed that one because it was chasing some other bluegills off the nest. Oh, and there's one right next to it. Let's see if we can get that one too. Here we go, here we go. Keep spinning it out. Got it. That's a bigger one. Oh yeah, stay on. There we go. Tell you what, guys, I have so much fun doing this. Got multiple right up on the shoreline up here under a tree. Really hard spot to get into for anybody else, but since I got this kayak, oh, right out of her mouth. Nice big one here. And she's hungry. There's quite a few sunnies over here too, surprisingly. This one's a keeper. I still got one on the bottom of the kayak. Big one back in the back. Let's see if we can get right on top of it without it's up underneath the tree. Hopefully you guys can see that. She's back there. Oh, she just turned around. There we go, right on her bed. Oh. Try again. She won't eat it. Here we go. Oh my goodness. She's not massive, but she's still a good size one. Oh, in the tree. In the tree. Here we go. Nope. Too far away from it. There it is. Hope you guys can see that one. Oh. This is just a nice gill. That's awesome. Alright, I got quite a few out of this spot. I'm gonna move around a little bit again. Oh, oh. That's a chunk of a bluegill. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Got her. Alright. Yeah, finish out. There's this area here. And then there's one spot that's back behind me that's got another 20 foot of bluegill beds. But we're gonna fish out for the day over here. And then I'll head back. I got the anchor holding me down in place just close enough that I can cast to these bluegill. Alright, which one am I going for? There's probably at least a dozen in this area. Here we go. This is a big one. She didn't grab it. She did not grab it. She went for it. She didn't grab it. Come on. Ooh, I have some fish trying to jump out of the bucket. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Oh, she chased away a little bluegill. Here we go, here we go. Got her. This is a big one. Oh, this is a big one. Yes. That's one of the biggest ones so far today. Ooh, oh, one eye. Oh, one eyeball. I don't know if you can see that or not. One eyeball. Ooh. That's a 9.5 inch bluegill right there. In the bucket. Ooh, listen to those fish. I'm really wishing I had a bucket with a lid on it right now. Let's see. Oh, there's a big one. Oh, I didn't even see that one. That one was hiding behind the weeds. Oh, man. Another big one. Oh, just broke the hook off. Woo! Settle down. Settle down. Let me get my hook back. Just came shooting out for it. Open her mouth. Man, these are some tank gills. You can't beat this for being right in the middle of town. And the bucket. Yep, big one. Big one. Last one. Last one, and it's a tank. Oh, yeah. Oh, not giant. Looked bigger. Felt fighting better. Alright, you guys. That is... that is it for me today. So, just a second, goes in the bucket. I'm going to get off the water, head home. I love it. I'm enjoying getting out on the kayak. Can't wait for the river trip coming up. Hopefully, my plan is to get a flathead off this thing this year. Hopefully, we'll see. I hope it happens. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, right now is a great time to go out and chase those bluegill up in the shallows. You don't need a boat, you don't need a kayak. You can walk the shoreline and you can find those bluegill beds. Trust me, it's not that hard, and it can be some fun fishing. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Good luck if you guys get out there. I hope you catch them all.